Serve! Nabad na diya. Serve! What are them people, yeah, man? I can't even pass my waist in peace. Me no want girls take me up in no man. Serve! Them people you can't learn to cook at them damn yard. You can't bother no man. Me a come! Yeah, what you want? Good morning. What you have for breakfast? We have ackee and saltfish, franks and baked bean, callaloo and curry chicken. Oh, okay. What do you have for the sides? Fried dumpling and boiled food. You have to pay extra for them this. But isn't it supposed to be one price? Yes, duh. When you add it up. And how much will it be if I want ackee and saltfish with fried dumplings? You know, say ackee and saltfish just done. But you literally just say, pick something else, miss. Alright, give me franks and baked bean instead. How much for that? That just done too. Seriously? Give me curry chicken then. Backside and unlucky girl, that done too. Just give me a sauce of dumpling. Alright, go for your plate and come. What? Mama, you know see everything I raise? If you want plate, just add 3 bills.